Hi, my name's Olivia, and we're on our nature walk. Hopefully we'll see some birds. This is where the trees are, and this is the hill. Come on, Daddy. And we're going to go to the path where we get to go on the people path. And here we are, some leaves in here. Here's the path, Daddy. Ready to go through it? And Evelyn is going in first because she wants to protect us. Look over there, there's a pond. Over here's a pond. Can you see it? Yeah, it's a pond. Mommy, can you see the pond? Oh, here are some wishing flowers, if you can see them. There's Evelyn leading the way again. Can I pick a wishing flower, Daddy?
Yeah.
Hi, Mommy. We're blowing wishing flowers. Can you see? And here we are. We're almost there, Mommy, and Evelyn's leading the way here. You know that. She's leading the way. And there's mud over there that Evelyn's afraid of. Let's back to the mud. And here we are, Mommy. I'll show you all the stuff around here. Look at these pretty flowers, Mom. Do you like them?
Sure.
They're so pretty, right, Mommy? And they're also... Whoa, my hat's about to fly off. I caught it. And look at this pretty flower. Look at these trees. Aren't they cool? They look cool to me. Look at the sky. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all the different flowers. There's a path right here, I think. Hey, this is a path of no long grass, Daddy. Daddy,
Yeah.
This is a path of no long grass.
Sure is.
And we're almost here. We'll see you soon. Whoa, look at this. It's all like forest and stuff. It's like we're in a forest when we got all the way down the path, Mommy. You should come one day. Or you can bring, if you have to bring Sophia, then you could bring Sophia.